How to fix RTX GPU not being detected issue. If your NVIDIA RTX graphics card is not showing up on your PC, this video will show you how to fix the GPU not detected issue. First, right-click on the Windows icon and open Device Manager. Now, expand the Display Adapter section and check if your NVIDIA RTX GPU appears. If it is disabled, right-click on the GPU and select Enable Device. If the GPU is not showing, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. If the issue still exists, download the latest NVIDIA driver from the official NVIDIA website and install it. After completing the steps, restart your PC and check if your RTX GPU is detected. That's how you can fix RTX GPU not being detected on Windows. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.